application before the court. You understand the manner in which she was kidnapped in Kenya, abducted, and consequently extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. This formed part of our ground of objection. Apart from the fact we are challenging the competence of the child, the worthless nature of the child they filed against us, so against our client. So we also invite the court to take note of the fact that the manner in which she was also kidnapped and extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. So the system cannot also benefit for their own wrong. So I don't want to go into the substantive application before the court.
Journalists,
because it's worthless. So it's worthless as far as concerned, because all the town can charge has no base in law. They can't file a charge that has no the facts or proof evidence has no connection with the charge before the court. So I don't want to give it by mentioning this charge before you means I am giving it credence. Thank you. However, I also mentioned to the court the fact that journalists were prevented from participating in the process, and lawyers too. And I also registered our displeasure of the defense team, because you should also be part of the process, and also tell the world exactly how it went and what you saw in court. So I believe it can happen next Saturday. I believe so.
Your full name, please.
My name